everyone, this is Jeff with Seafloor Systems. Today we're going to be doing a quick overview of the HydroLite TM. Starting off, we have our transducer, which is this unit here. Pretty self-explanatory. I have the cable wrapped up just for neatness' sake. Next, we have a data cable. This plugs into the PC port on the Sonarmite topside box, and the transducer plugs into that XDR port. On the data end, there is a RS-232 port. Those are not as common as they used to be, so we provide a USB to serial adapter, so it can be used on any computer with a USB slot. Up next, we have a charger. This will plug into the XDR port as well, and will be flashing green when fully charged. Over here we have the transducer mounting shoe, which is something that threads onto these survey poles and attaches to the transducer. So I guess we'll do that right now. There are two little pins that line up with two little grooves in here. You want to line those up as so, and then bend it back until you hear this click. Now we can go ahead and attach it to a survey pole. Like so. So up next, we'll put it on our transit mount over here. There's actually a little locking screw, so you want to make sure this is loose before you try and put it on, otherwise it won't slide through. And we'll go ahead and lock it at the top right there, just by tightening that screw. Go ahead and add another pull. And you get 3 of these poles in each kit. Next, we'll go ahead and attach our Sonarmite topside box here. And the way the HydroLite gets power, when the transducer cable is plugged in, the unit powers on. So go ahead and plug in the transducer cable to this XDR port. And a red light will illuminate on the box. So that's your HydroLite pull kit.